Now here we have Jeff demonstrating a routine you could easily do in your office anytime you're at your desk. You need a chair and a steady, stable surface in front of you. First is the chest expansion exercise. You can see that Jeff is sitting on the edge of his chair, reaching back to the side of the chair to help him lift his chest up as he draws his elbows back, trying to squeeze your shoulder blades together. You want to look straight ahead, pull your chest up as you squeeze your shoulder blades down and back, using your elbows to pull back. You might need to adjust where you are in the chair. You can scoot forward or back. And then after about 10 repetitions, lift and hold about 15 seconds. Next up is the upper back, upper thoracic opener extension. It's to counteract all that roundedness we have when we're sitting in our chairs. You place your elbows on top of the desk and position yourself so that your back is flat even before you start. And you're gonna scoop your chest up and forward as you rock back and forth. Try and find a good positioning for it. And again, at the end, hold about 15 to 30 seconds. Here, this is a chair dip exercise. So a little bit of strengthening as well as stretching out the chest. You want to scoot forward, get your butt off the chair, keep your elbows pointed backwards, and keep your chest lifted up. Go ahead and look straight ahead. Next up is a hip flexor stretch. So you're going to scoot to the side of the chair, having one hip supported, and then the other one, bend your knee, bring your knee back as far as you'd like to get the stretch. Place your hands on your hips, lift up your chest, squeeze your bottom underneath you, hold about 30 seconds. Next up, it's a squatting position where you go from your heels to the ball of your feet. So you're going to use your desk as a support and rock onto your heels and forward onto your toes. Now here you'll see Jeff is squatting as low as he can, which is pretty deep. But you don't have to go that far if it's uncomfortable. Really just think about going as far as you can. When you rock back on your heels, go ahead and let your back round out when you go forward onto your balls of your feet. And this last exercise in this routine are side-to-side squats. So you see you'll be stretching out your hamstrings, stretching out your hips, getting a little bit more movement, a little bit more strengthening. Again, you're going to use your desk as a support. You lean forward as much as you can, as much as you want. Get some weight either onto your legs or onto your upper body, depending on how strong you are and how you feel that day. And you rock back and forth, go to your heel, and point the straight leg up, toes up to the ceiling. Then rock back onto the heel of the bent leg.